What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is Tuesday and I didn't get a chance to film today. I was working all day and wasn't paying much attention to the news, but I'm going to show you in a minute how we did. We had some good news with Universal Display and some bad news with Tesla, so unfortunately the bad news outweighed the good news and we lost a little bit of money, but not too much. So I'm going to show you the balance, show you who did well, who didn't, and then talk about those two articles that I read, and then we'll wrap it up. It'll be a pretty quick episode today. So let's just see how we did here. All right, so we only lost about like $1,700, so not like crazy, nothing too bad. I did get in two more contracts of the company I've been talking about recently, Albemarle. I still don't know the correct pronunciation for it. We got in at $11.60, and we got the same strike as the other one. So here's the one we currently had before, the March 16th. We got one for January 18th, 2019 with the same strike. So this one is way safer, and it already went up about 7.7% since 7.8%, something like that, since I bought it. So you can see it's at 1160 when I got in, and then now it's at 1250. So already seeing some good profits on that one. But let's look at our huge gainers for today. Definitely Universal Display. I also forgot that I had one more call for them. I totally forgot about that. And that one expires on January 19th, so that's the one we have the most time with. But you can see how much money we made with those, so really good day for them. The other Albemarle call did really well. And then at the bottom, you can see our three of our Tesla calls were at the bottom of the list. And yeah, so that was really not good. Not a great showing for Tesla today. Let's look at the value, the dollar amount. This is not quite accurate because I bought those new calls today, but yeah. Pretty close. All right, so here's the watch list. Wow, I didn't even know that Sprint finished on top. Nintendo had a really phenomenal day. I don't even know why. I'm gonna have to look that up. And there's Universal Display up 4%. So the reason they went up today was because of a price target increase by Goldman Sachs. And then Tesla will probably be at the back of this list, but let's just keep scrolling through here so you can see who did well. There's third page, fourth page. Now we're getting to the stocks that lost money. Nvidia just had a slight loss today, so nothing too crazy with them. GoPro, sadly, is going down again. And then there's Tesla. They went down $9.90. So let's just talk about that. Okay, so with Tesla, I think it was, let me read here, it was a Jefferies analyst who said that their stock could go down 27%. He has a price target of $280, and his main reason is because he doesn't think Tesla will become profitable until like 2020. And it's really only 2 years from now. I think in the grand scheme of things for Tesla, I think that's even not that long. I think they still got their Model Y that they haven't even looked at, and they're going to be selling a lot more Model S's. They're going to be selling a lot more Model X's, a lot more 3s. They got their electric truck coming out. They got their solar shingles. They got so much going on that I don't think this is that much reason to worry. Like I said, I think they're going to go to 500 eventually. I've said that many times. And I was just editing a video today. Ron Barron was saying, this was from 3 months ago, but Ron Barron was saying that they could get to $1,000 a share by 2020. So, yeah, it just goes to show you experts have different opinions. Speaking of experts who are pretty much wrong all the time, not all the time, but look at this. I was editing this video from June 13th, and I was looking at this article. This guy was talking about Nvidia, because this was right after those 2 days where I lost 27 grand in 2 days. He was saying that Russ Vish was saying that Nvidia would go down to $96. Or he said it was considerable downside risk, he said. And obviously it didn't even go close to that. It went way back up. So just goes to show you this guy was completely wrong in his prediction. And so there you go. A lot of experts or analysts or whatever you call them, they're not always right. And a lot of times they're wrong, especially if they have a bias against certain companies. Okay, so let's move on to Universal Display. So there's another analyst, Goldman Sachs, said reiterated their buy rating, raised the price target to $161, and said that they're working on perfecting their manufacturing of a blue component for their phosphorescent OLED. I'm really not an expert on this, guys, so please, I'm going to put a link in the description. Please read it for yourself. But basically there's like red, yellow, green or something that they already can produce, but the blue one will make it even better. And they're perfecting that right now, something along those lines. Okay, so that's very exciting. again, I've been a huge bull for Universal Display since January, since the vlog started, when I actually heard about them. And I think there's just so much you can do with OLED technology, so I think there's still tons of room for them to grow still. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty short video. Hope you guys liked it. It was short and sweet, I hope. If you did like it, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends, like I always say, so you can get the day-to-day feel of how it is trading options. Again, options aren't for everybody, so that you can see from watching this vlog how risky it can be. But if it's something you guys are interested in doing, hopefully you can learn from my mistakes and what I'm learning and be pretty profitable. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.